Ava Cash Advance Review 2025. Is it safe and reliable? Need a small loan in 2025? Ava Cash Advance promises quick access to funds, but most people get this wrong by assuming all cash advance apps are the same. Let's break it down. Ava provides short-term, small dollar loans directly to your bank account. You won't believe what happens next. It uses soft credit checks in most cases, so it won't affect your credit score initially. The app is simple, and approval can take minutes. Fees and interest rates vary based on your state and loan amount. Unlike traditional payday loans, Ava offers clear repayment schedules and reminders to help you avoid late fees. The surprising truth is that while Ava is convenient, cash advances should be used responsibly. They're best for emergencies, not regular spending. Overuse can lead to high fees and dependency. So, is Ava safe and reliable? For responsible users needing quick access to small funds, yes. Just make sure you understand fees, repayment terms, and your ability to pay on time.